Jai Hind, everyone. So, nearly 2 years ago, I started this channel with a simple intention to create space where stories were heard, to create space where people could talk their heart out, to create space where conversations mattered. Intent was just this much that people could pause, reflect, and perhaps see life from a different perspective. Over these 2 years, this journey has taken me in many directions. I've spoken with educators, entrepreneurs, women achievers, professionals from different fields, homemakers, and people with varied perspectives towards life, individuals with remarkable experiences, and ordinary people with remarkable wisdom. When I look at these 2 years, I look at a channel which explored many different paths. There were conversations on education, stories of inspiring women, reflections on culture and tradition, discussions on spirituality. All in all, stories of growth, resilience, and faith. Some videos reached many people, some videos reached fewer people, but each of it left a remarkable impact on me and also gave me something very valuable. And somewhere along this journey, I also realized that the most important lessons of lives were not coming from extraordinary people. They were coming from ordinary people who were living extraordinary lives. There are a lot of things that I learned. Few of them that I would like to share with you all is that I learned that wisdom is everywhere. Sometimes we spend our lives searching answers in textbooks, seminars, workshops, but then suddenly there's one conversation that happens with a student, with a teacher, with an entrepreneur, and that particular thought, that reflection works on your mind for days. And many of these people whom I met, I realized that wisdom does not come with title. It comes with years of experience and how you look at life. How much are you ready to um, take it in? How much are you ready to absorb? The second thing that I learned is that people are longing to be heard. There are a lot of people who are speaking, but very few who are ready to listen. Everyone has a story, everyone wants to talk about it, but very few people to listen to their stories. Again and again, I realized this that when people were given the opportunity to speak without judgment, they had a lot to share. And from there came the wisdom. Real connections emerged, and probably that is something that we really, really require today. The third and most important thing I feel that I learned is that success means different thing for different people. For somebody, success is achievement. For somebody, success is peace of mind. For somebody, success is coming back home smiling. For some, it is service. And for some, it is simply living with integrity. So these conversations actually reminded me that we cannot have a box for a meaningful life. There is no set quote that can define life. Over the last few months, I've spent a lot of time reflecting upon my channel. Not because I wanted to stop, but because I wanted some clarity. I asked myself, what should Mansa Vacha Karmana stand for? What kind of conversations should I bring here? What value do I hope my viewers take away from this space? And the answers slowly became clear. Going forward, I want this channel to become a home for meaningful conversations, a place where human stories are valued, a place where wisdom is shared, a place where culture, spirituality, thoughtfulness, and life, they all come together in a thoughtful and authentic way. You will continue to see inspiring journeys, conversations with people from different walks of life, reflections on our own traditions and values, and discussions that encourage us to think, act more responsibly, and also consciously. The name of this channel has always carried a beautiful meaning. मनसा वाचा कर्मणा, मन से वचन से कर्म से, thoughts, actions, and our speech. Perhaps I think the journey for all of us is to bring these three together, that alignment, that being on the same path. Thank you for being part of this journey so far, and if you are new here, you're welcome, because these conversations will go on. And if even one conversation helps us to think better, speak better, help better, then I feel Mansa Vacha Karmana has been able to achieve what it has stepped out in this world to do. So, continuing with that purpose, see you till next time. Stay happy, stay healthy. Jai Hind.